A female welcomes her mate returning from a successful hunt. The 10-centimeter talons of this huge bird dwarf his prey, an unlucky squirrel monkey. Their nest sits just beyond the Tambapato Reserve in the neighboring Refugio Amazona, where researchers installed a camera 30 meters up in the canopy. Scientists have been watching this harpy-eagle couple for 6 months, since they hatched their single chick. These raptors pair for life, and look after their young for up to a year and a half. They're raising one of the most powerful birds of prey on Earth. Over the past 6 months, their chick has survived everything from burning hot sun to lashing storms. As she's grown older, they've begun leaving her for up to 2 weeks at a time while they hunt. They must fly below the forest canopy, as the sloths and monkeys they prey on inhabit the understory. With powerful talons, they can crush the bones of victims, instantly killing them. The chick's 6 months old and now ready to fly, so free meals will become few and far between. She's starting to display adult behavior, like mantling, spreading her wings over her prey to hide it from other raptors. And she's beginning to look like her impressive parents, with a crown of feathers and darker wings. Soon she'll be vulnerable to poachers, seeking both her meat and her decorative feathers. She must learn to fly. At first, it's perilous. If she goes over the edge and 30 meters up, she'll likely die. Within days now, she'll have mastered flight and be well on her way to becoming a proficient aerial hunter, just like her parents, striking fear into the hearts of animals across the jungle.